Hello everyone, welcome back to Law with Mohid Bhatti. Today we're talking about what happens after someone is arrested in England and Wales. Many people think arrests work like on TV, but in reality, there's a clear legal process that protects both the public and the suspect. A police officer can arrest someone if they suspect them of committing a crime, and it is necessary to arrest them. When arrested, the person is told they are under arrest and why. They may also be warned that they don't have to answer questions, but anything they say could be used in court. After that, the suspect is usually taken to a police station. At the police station, the suspect is processed into custody. This means giving personal details and checking health and safety. At this point, the suspect is also told their rights, including the right to legal advice and the right to have someone told they are under arrest. While in custody, the police may collect evidence, such as fingerprints, photos, or DNA. If the police question the suspect, they are warned of their right to remain silent. They can choose not to answer, and a solicitor can be present during questioning. After the investigation and interview, the police decide whether to release the suspect without charge if there isn't enough evidence, release on bail while the investigation continues, or charge the suspect with an offense. If charged, the case goes to court. At trial, the prosecution must prove the case. If the defendant is not guilty, they go free. If guilty, the judge decides the sentence. Sentences can include fines, community orders, or prison, depending on the offense. So the process after arrest is basically arrest, then police station, then investigation, an interview, followed by charge or release, leading to court, and finally trial and sentencing. Knowing this helps people understand their rights and the criminal system in England and Wales. Thanks for watching. Law with Mohid Bhatti. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. The information in this video is for general educational purposes only and should not be taken as legal advice.